Hi guys, I'm back Bafethu. Kerim Doli has written Mchunu's private security firearms plans may misfire if Mkhwanazi scandal grows. Earlier this year, Police Minister Senzo Mchunu signed off on proposals to tighten firearm control in the private security sector. Recent accusations against him, meanwhile, which he has denied, have got ties to guns and the security industry. Scrappled beneath the surface of the several accusations recently leveled against Senzo Mchunu, they embattled the police minister and key themes including firearms and private security emerge. This combination of themes has caused controversy before in South Africa. There are long-running suspicions that some people, including gangsters, manipulate private security, that they exploit businesses to gain access to firearms and use certain companies as fronts. Yeah. Kunzima South Africa, kunzima. Raw private security can lead to protection rackets with service forced on businesses and money demanded in return. In other words, extortion. So they form these fake security companies that's to extort companies. Yeah. An example of security turned inside out is what happened in Nyanga, Cape Town in January. A taxi guard was killed and 7 others were wounded in a shooting when 2 rival security companies believed to be based in KwaZulu-Natal allegedly took each other on. Yo. So suka le KZN zolo le Kapa. Yo. Imali yathanda South Africa. Rifles and handguns were confiscated after that incident. This is roughly when Mkhwanazi fits in. Daily Maverick previously reported that on 28 March 2025, he signed off a call for public comment on proposal private security amendments that, if enacted, would see the tighter regulation of firearms in the industry. A contentious part of those proposals said that a business could issue a firearm to a security officer, but that does not include security officers possessing firearms in public places, including shopping malls and restaurants. Alarm and applause after Police Mchunu takes aim at private security guns. The private security industry regulatory authority was pushing for more stringent firearm control in the sector. But while some were of the view that the proposed amendments were necessary to crack down on industry with rogue elements running through it, most responses were negative and alarming. It is not yet clear if the proposals have since been fine-tuned and how or when they may be implemented. In the meantime, Mchunu has come under fire. Mkhwanazi versus Mchunu. During a press... So that's the story of it. The other article is written about same thing that has been we talk about. So guys, what do you think of it? Please comment down below what you think about this issue. Subscribe Bafethu. Azanian Politics, Opposition TV. See you in the next video.